and welcome! In this video, we are going to show you how to install the new EVID C-G2 ceiling speakers with the new Easy Install system. The EVID C-G2 models feature a new SwiftLock mounting mechanism. It supports quick, precise, and secure attachment to the ceiling with a simple push-and-lock mechanism for hassle-free installation or replacement. This video shows only the installation of the ceiling speaker and assumes you have already created your cutout hole and have your wiring and safety cable ready. First, install the tile rails and C-ring. Insert the rails through the cutout hole. Sit the ends of the rails over the T-grid strut. Insert the C-ring and snap the two rails into the tabs on the C-ring. Secure the C-ring to the rails with the provided screws. Next, attach the wiring to the terminal connector. You should also install the safety cable. Push the speaker into the ceiling hole until the front baffle is flush with the ceiling. You will hear the mounting tabs click. Once the speaker is in the ceiling, it will hold in place without additional help. Now you just need to tighten the mounting tab screws until the speaker is tight against the ceiling surface. Now we can adjust the tap selector located here on the front baffle. After the levels are adjusted, the grille can be installed. The EVID C-G2 ceiling speakers grilles feature a safety tether to prevent the grille from falling if the grille is removed or comes loose after installation. All models include easy-to-attach bezel-less magnetic grilles in a paintable white finish. This means that only the grilles need to be painted, saving time when it comes to choosing or matching a venue's color scheme. You now know how to install the new EVID C-G2 ceiling speakers with the new Easy Install system. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.